Aloha, my friends. In today's video, we're going to do a breath work. Now, this is a very powerful breath work, and simple, but also very simple. It's going to be invoking energy within the body, tapping into your willpower, into your passions, into even the primal part of your body, tapping into some animal energy that will actually give you more energy throughout the day, charge you up, make you feel more free and able to accomplish more. Also help you to feel not alone in the world. Helps us connect ourselves collectively as well as connect to Pachamama. And this will help you release DMT, generate serotonin in the body, and feel more endorphins. So today we're going to work a little bit with coyote medicine and also wolf medicine, mainly more wolves. This is called breath of the wolf or wolf breath. And we're going to be breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth, slow, controlled, powerful, and actually tilting the head up a little bit. When we tilt the head up, it forces the spine to stand up straight, helps the chest open up more. So even if you just do this, like stand straight up, or sit straight up. I'm standing. You could probably want to be sitting down for this if you're not an experienced breath worker, or laying down. It's easier if you're sitting or standing. So you're going to erect the back, lift the head up a little bit. Even if your back's relaxed and you lift the head, it naturally still opens the chest more. And so we're going to go into the nose, hold the mouth. We're going to do 30 of those, and then we're going to do a full inhale and hold. And then we'll do this for 3 rounds. And you can even imagine as you're breathing in through the nose, you're pulling in energy around you. You're pulling in energy from the moon, up from the earth, and then you're releasing it back out all around you. So kind of breathing in everything, energizing yourself up, and sharing it back with the collective. Bringing it in from the collective, back out to the collective. Because you are the collective, you influence it as much as it influences you. So breathing in now. Okay, we'll get ready to start here. 3 rounds, 30 breaths, 30-second holds. Got it? 30, 30, 30. All right, let's breathe. Keep the head tilted up the whole time, or you can bring it down for the end. Seven more. Final one in, out, fully in, and when you are full, hold. That's why we should be sitting down when we do these, because I almost blasted off when I did that. Whew, raising the vibration. All right. Whew. I'm going to lean against the wall on the next hold. Okay, so in again, round 2, same thing. 30 breaths, just like that. Okay, big, in, powerful, out and controlled. In from the collective, out to the collective. In from Pachamama, out, embodying the wolf and the coyote, out into the moon. 10 more. Just be in place. Pull in, out. Pull in, hold. One out, slow, controlled. If you're feeling energized, if you're beginning to feel tingly or so forth, that's good. It's a part of it. It's where we're going. It's how you're feeling into it. So, full disclosure here, I'm really blasting off and having a hard time staying in my body. I'm about to really release a lot of DMT on this one. Same thing again. Okay, let's keep pumping through. We're going to do the third round together here. We're going to start with 3, 2, 1. Final round. In through the nose. In, feeling the energy up in the body. Out, feeling the energy in the body, connecting to everything. Fully in with the moon, fully in with the earth, out to everything as you breathe out. Fully in, out as you exhale, howling to it, just giving your energy to it, while receiving it, knowing you are surrounded. Chest is opening, pushing the air back out. Feel energy flow. Fully in, out, fully in, hold. Let that out slow, control. This is Breath of the Wolf. You can do this at any time. You can do 1 round and you will supercharge yourself. You can do 3 rounds and you can Super Saiyan charge yourself. I am enlightened, like high enlightened, not like I am now an ascended being. That's not what I mean. I just mean I'm extremely high. I feel super energized. I'm seeing some visuals still going on as I'm talking to you. That doesn't always happen with breath work. More often we do it, it does happen. So I suggest you could do this one for 7 days and you'll supercharge yourself. You can do it for 21 days and you'll Super Saiyan charge yourself. So raise your power level, step into a new higher self,
Embody coyote medicine, laugh more in life. Embody wolf medicine, be playful when needed, serious when needed, be loyal, be kind to yourself. You are awesome. Here's some more videos if you want to watch other cool stuff on this channel. Peace, love.